Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's information session on the CDS Master of Science in Data Science program. My name is Dan Young, and I am Assistant Director of the Graduate Affairs here at CDS. We have a great presentation set up for you today, and we're going to get started with a variety of different things we will be going over. First is the agenda for today. We will begin with the introduction of faculty and computing and data science here at BU. We will then talk about who we are, what we stand for. We will then go over the curricular experience, student services, funding resources, and what you need to do when you're ready to submit your application. And throughout the session, I'll address some of the most popular questions as I go over the slides, and I'll be answering a few frequently asked questions at the end of the webinar as well. So please stay tuned until the end of the webinar. So first of all, I'd like to introduce Boston University and the city of Boston to you all. So currently, Boston University hosts over 70 graduate students, and among both undergrad and graduate students, we have over 10,000 international students from over 180 countries. Faculty and student ratio are great as well, despite we are a large institution. Currently, the rate is 11:1. We're also ranked as 27 among best US colleges by the Wall Street Journal and Times Higher Education. And if you ever ask me, to choose 4 words to describe city of Boston, the 4 words that I'll choose is historical, cultural, beautiful, and smart. Here at Boston, our 10% of state population are actually students. And living in Boston will make you feel like living in a small town, but still has all the perks that a big city offers. Boston is also known for its sports, its historical events, and all the beautiful things around American culture. Next is what is Faculty of Computing and Data Science? So the Faculty of Computing and Data Science is an academic unit that brings together students and faculty with a shared passion for societal impact through computing and data science. We normally call us CDS at BU. We're hosted at this brand new, iconic, sustainable building here in central Boston. We are more so like a school at BU rather than a department. But what we really are is that a cross-disciplinary academic unit and a connecting tissue, bridging all discipline and brings together students and faculties and partners to make real impact. And the MSDS program is one of the main master programs here at CDS. All right, let's take a quick look at what MSDS has to offer. So the MSDS program is a 32 credits program that consists with a core 8 courses, which will take place over 2 semesters. The tuition cost for each semester is around $30,000, and that brings the total tuition cost to around $61,000 before scholarship. So please know this estimate is only an estimate based on the tuition cost from 2022 to 2023 academic year. So each year, the tuition cost per credit will flex a little bit. So your actual tuition cost will flex as a result as well. So please make sure to check on our website after May of this year, and then we will update the actual tuition number on our website after that. We also offer merit-based scholarship, and they usually ranges around $10,000. Another important component that makes our MSDS program stands out is our top faculties. They're driven by research, they're enthusiastic about teaching. Some of them are leading researchers in their field. Some of them has 20, 30 plus years of industry experience that wanted so badly to share with you. If you have some time after today, please feel free to browse on our website and read about them, read about their amazing profiles. And if you're someone interested in doing a research or even pursuing a PhD program after, I would highly recommend you to, start that researching process now and read about their background. Like I mentioned earlier, our MSDS program is hosted in this brand new state-of-art building on campus. So we have brand new classrooms, learning and studying spaces that are designed to make your study experience as comfortable as possible as it can be. The program itself is very flexible and you will have control of your degree. The design of the program was quite unique. It was designed around not individual courses, which most of other programs are look like. So when you read about other programs' curriculum, you will find, a list of courses that are pre-selected for you. But that is not what our MSDS look like. Instead, we designed this program around competencies. And then later I will share more information about what that means, but this is something that's not common among other MSDS programs. This program also offers 2 concentrations for you to choose, and one is called Applied Methods, another is called Core Methods. And we will again dig a little bit more into that in just a moment. We're also STEM program that can offer 3-year OPT for international students. All right, let's take a look at the curriculum. So the program really consists with 3 parts, and we broke into Group A, Group B, and Group C. Like I mentioned before, the program is designed around competencies. So in Group A, there are 5 core competency requirements, which consists of 5 courses of your choice. And on top of the core competency requirements, you also need to do 3 additional courses to fulfill your concentration requirements, and that's Group B. Once you choose your concentration, you will then design the rest of the course to fulfill your degree requirement. Group C is unique. There are additional degree components. They're optional. You can do it or not do it. It's totally up to you. Once you finish both Group A and Group B requirements, you will have the option to add an additional either master's thesis or summer internship courses. And as a result, your length of program will be extended, and there will be additional tuition costs for these additional degree components as well. All right, let's take a look at Group A. So again, Group A are your core competency requirements. When we designed the program, our faculty really designed it around the competencies that a data scientist should have. They realize that, in order to be a successful data science, you really need to have these 5 core competencies. For example, you will need to know how to do modeling and predictive analytics. You will need to know how to do data-centric computing. You are someone that you are good at machine learning and AI. You will need to learn about social impact, security, and privacy. So these are the 5 core competencies that you need to have in order to become a successful data science. So within each competency, we will have a list of courses that you can choose. So we didn't want to lock you up with a singular courses under each competency, because some of you may have maybe already taken that course during your undergrad. Some of you may find that kind of course not interesting. So we're trying to avoid that. That's why we designed the program around competencies. So under each competency, there will be a list of courses for you to choose. I have some sample courses here listed here for you to, just take a peek at what we have available right now. But I do want to make a note about those courses. They are subject to change. These are only sample courses. When you are actually enrolled into the program, by that time, I'll share with you the most updated course for you to choose. But again, these courses that I listed here are only sample courses. So after you finished your Group A requirements, you will need to decide on your Group B courses. So Group B is concentration requirements. With this requirement, you really only have 2 elective courses that you can select on your own. So no matter which concentration that you will be taking, you will be required to take this one course called DS701. This is a course called Tools for Data Science, and it's really the only singular course that are required for all the MSDS students. And yeah, it doesn't matter which concentration you're in, everyone's required to take this one. So again, your flexibility around concentration requirements are only 2 elective courses. If you choose core methods concentration, this is a concentration for students who would like to, strengthen their core competencies. So you will be choosing your 2 elective courses from the previous A1, A2, and A3 list. And if you're someone who has an applied domain that you would like to, apply your data science skill at, you can choose the applied methods concentration. So essentially, you will be utilizing the 2 elective courses and choose courses from other schools here at BU. So some people may find business interesting, so you can choose, let's say, 2 business courses over at the Crestron School of Business here at BU. If you are more interested in the engineering side, so you can, choose some engineering courses. Right now, what we have available are like computational biology, sustainability, and social technical. So there is a ton of area that you can choose from. And once you're enrolled, I will update everyone with what we have available for you to fulfill this concentration requirements. Next is Group C. So Group C is additional degree opportunities. Again, those 2 are optional opportunities. It's not required. So please keep in mind that if you do ended up choosing to add either one or even both degree components into your core curriculum, there will be an additional tuition cost, and your program will likely to be extended as a result. So one of the choice is a master's thesis course. That is a 4-credit course. You should declare your interest in doing a master's thesis by the end of an add and drop period in your 2nd semester. This will be a great opportunity to add if you're someone looking to working in research or would like to pursue a PhD program after. So if that's what you wanted to do, I would certainly recommend you considering adding this opportunity. Another opportunity is our summer internship. This is 1 course and it's only 1 credit. So if you would like to add this course over the summer, which is after your 2nd semester, this course will take up a total of 12 weeks, and you won't be taking this course throughout the 2 summer terms as well here at BU. And for both master thesis and the summer internship courses, there will be an application process for you to be able to, register for those 2 courses. There's some other things I would like to make a note of about our summer internship course is that so sorry, we don't have co-op or internship opportunities for summer internship. You will still need to, look for an internship on your own. However, I will go through what are the resources that our office have to support you during that internship searching process, but again, we don't have internship placement or co-op. This internship opportunity usually works better for international students because international students can use this course to apply for CPT and then work for an internship. But if you're domestic students, you can still find an internship on your own, and it's not really necessary for you to add an additional course for you during the summer. And once you finish the core curriculum and you're domestic students, you can just graduate in May, unless you want to add a master's thesis. So again, summer internship will be highly recommended to international students. But if you're domestic students, you can still register for it, but it's not that necessary. We highly recommend, especially for international students, to start the application process for this course 2 months before the end of the second semester, because again, you will need to apply for CPT, and that's a very time-consuming application that you need to go through. So we would recommend you to start looking for a job early and then apply early, so you will have an ample amount of time for to go through the CPT process. So what's not that going to look like is you will submit an application to my office. You will indicate, who will be your employee and the type of job that you're going to work. And once your application is approved, we will automatically register you for the summer internship course. And again, international students, you will need to pay for this 1 credit in order to register for this course for CPT purpose. And then at the end of the summer internship courses, you're also required to submit a 15 to 18 pages internship report. So this is what your roadmap will look like when you're in the program. The first semester is the fall semester. You will likely be taking 3 of the 5 core competency courses that you choose, and you will be taking the DS701 Tools for Data Science course. This is a group project course. You will need to choose your concentration in the first semester as well. If you're someone looking to add that summer internship after the second semester, I would recommend you to start looking for internship opportunities. And again, I'll go over what are resources we have to support you during that search later in just a little bit. And if you're someone who are looking to, add that master's thesis at the end, I would highly recommend you to start looking for a thesis advisor during the first semester as well. So let's say you have done all of that, then your second semester will look like this. You will take the 2 elective courses of your choice. Again, that will look a little different depend on the concentration that you choose. And if you choose core methods, you will be doing either A1, A2, or A3. So 2 from these 3. If you are doing applied methods, then you will likely to choose 2 elective courses from other colleges and schools here on BU campus. You will also apply for summer internship courses if that's what interests you. So the application process happens during the second semester. And if you are interested in master's thesis, right now it's the time for you to apply for that master's thesis course as well. Again, the summer internship course will last 12 weeks long over the summer, and then the master's thesis course will be added as an additional semester, which is the 3rd semester of this program for you. All right, let's go over the career development resources we have. So here at BU, we have the Center for Career and Development, and that is open for everyone. They have a ton of great opportunities, workshops like interview prep, resume cover letter drop-ins, stuff like that. They have their own recruiting events, hiring events. They also have a lot of other interesting and fun projects are going on. So I would recommend everyone to go on their website because they have an event calendar. That will be a great place for you to start browsing and look for the kind of opportunities that they offer. Another great thing that I would recommend everyone to look into is BU Spark. So BU Spark is an organization hosted by CDS. They are a great place for you to really grow your GitHub profile, to gain some practical learning experience through doing actual projects. They also have a lot of networking events, TED Talks or alumni talks events. So there are a lot of things going on with BU Spark. They also have a sponsored hackathon for you if you are someone interested in doing some like tech challenges. So definitely check them out as well. They also have their own event calendar. You just look up BU Spark and it will take you to their main website. So again, this is really a great place for people from the tech world for you to meet people from other schools at BU and then work together on projects and really grow your experience and grow your GitHub profile. And thirdly, everyone in this program will have full access to Handshake. So Handshake is a platform like Indeed, kind of like LinkedIn. They have their own hiring events as well. So everyone in this program will have full access to it. And I'll recommend everyone, utilize this job board and look for internship and job opportunities. All right, next is student activities. This is a very engaging community here at CDS. Those are the pictures that are taken from some previous events we had. We have Yoga Night, ice cream social, and a lot more fun events. So our philosophy here at CDS is that once you're here, you will have a ton of opportunities to do all your academics. So when we set up these events for our students, we really want you to have fun, right? Want you to not think about academics, want you to just come in and have fun and leave and don't need to introduce yourself to other people or really social if you don't want to. It's really just us trying to find events for you to relax and enjoying the time that you're not doing any academics. So ton of opportunities. We also have over 100 student organizations here on campus. So if none of those activities or events interest you, you can definitely check out our student organizations. They have their own events, fun social events, or some of them even have like networking or job hiring events offered. So definitely check them out. All right, next is tuition and financial aid. So if you are a permanent resident or domestic student, you will be eligible for federal financial aid and we will help you with your application as well. And all the students are automatically considered for merit-based scholarship. There's no additional application needed. We will automatically consider you. And then the scholarship yearly range around $10,000. And if you need help with tuition payments over at our BU Student Accounting Services office, they have payment plans available for students as well, so you can pay your tuition bill over time. All right, next is admission requirements. I'm sure you're all eager to learn about what we are looking for from a candidate. So a lot of students will ask us, what are the background of the students that gets admitted into the program? So usually that's students with degree in one of the methodology or applied discipline relating to data science, like computer science, electric engineering, math with statistic. We also have students with degree from those, we call it applied areas of data science. For example, it can be information system, economics, bioinformatics, physics, astronomy, earth and environment, etc. So there are a lot of areas that are related to the applied area of data science. We also have prerequisites. So some of the prerequisites are introductory programming courses like Python, Java. We also would like to see if student ever learned discrete math, linear algebra, or probability courses. So if you're interested in learning more about our prerequisites, all of them are available on our website. You can definitely, check back on them later. You will find them on our website. Right. In terms of application checklist, we ask you to submit transcript from institutions in which you received your undergraduate or graduate degrees. For that, it can be unofficial. Unofficial meaning you can just download a PDF version of your transcript right from your student portal. You can just upload that into your application. Only if you are admitted, we will then ask you to ask your institution and send us an official copy of your transcript. We also ask 2 letters of recommendation. So if you want to submit more than 2, that's totally fine. We can accept up to 3 letters of recommendation, but that's not required. The requirement is only 2. We will also ask for your most recent CV or resume. We want 1 personal statement from you. And if you are an international student, we will likely to ask you to submit proof of English and proficiency. But there are ways to waive that requirement as well. Let's say if you have did a degree from an institution that uses English as to teach, or if you, let's say, did a 2-year at an Indian university and then transferred to the US and received your degree from an US institution, then that's totally fine. This requirement will be automatically waived for you. Another thing to know that I forgot to mention is about transcript. If your transcript is in a foreign language, we would want you to have that translated by a certified company. So please upload your transcript, the original copy, and also the translation copy all together into your application. And another thing is GRE. GRE is optional. It's not required. If you would like to submit your GRE score to the application, that's totally fine. But if you don't want to, that's totally fine as well. We will not hold it against you if you submit it or don't. Again, that's totally optional. All right. That's going to our last part. Most frequently asked questions. I know you all probably have a lot of questions right now, so let me try to address some of the most asked ones for you first. First question is, I don't have all the prerequisites, can I still apply? Or if I'm not from a CS, computer science, or data science background, can I still apply? And the answer is yes, absolutely yes. Although we recommend, prospective applicants to have complete most of all of our courses equivalent to the list of prerequisites, which you will find on our website. So you can apply. So make sure to check the prerequisites that we listed and to, find out whether you have taken most of it or none of it. If you haven't taken any courses that we listed, under prereq, we will probably recommend you to, do some of those course equivalent from some other institution first before you apply. So, and also I wanted to let everyone know that you don't need to, take all the courses that are listed on the prereq. We only recommend most of it, just because prereq are essential for you to, success in this program. And once we enroll you, we want to make sure that you will be successful. And these prereq courses are a way to tell whether you have the basic skills to be, successful in this program. So go on there and then do a little self-check and see if you need to, do some additional courses somewhere to, strengthen your skills before you actually apply or enroll into the program. All right, next question. I am a current or newly admitted master's student at BU. Can I transfer my offer letter or enrollment to MSDS? So the answer is unfortunately no. We don't accept transfer of offer letters or enrollment, and we don't have a standardized transfer process as well, like undergraduate. So no matter what you are currently enrolled into or received your offer letter from, if you are interested in the MSDS program, we would ask you to apply again directly to us. Again, we don't accept transfers. If you're interested in transfer credits, then we do allow transfer credits, but we will review that request case by case. And this is a process that will happen after you are enrolled in the program. The maximum credits that you can transfer are 8 credits, and we can only transfer graduate level courses. Next question, what resources are available for students to gain practical experience? Great question. So if you are interested in learning and gain that practical experience, definitely check out BU Spark. Like I said, BU Spark is a unique space and amazing tech incubator and experiential learning lab for students, led projects and data-driven projects. So if that's and part of area that you really want to gain experience from, definitely check them out. They have their own website. They have event calendar. So check them out, read about their event calendar and see what are the things that they offer. And then if you are interested in networking, BU Spark has your own networking events where you can network with industry professionals and then essentially, grow your network and gain experience. So BU Spark also offers courses like product management as well. So if you're interested in that, again, check them out and see what opportunities they have. And if you have any additional questions, send me an email. Later, I'll share my contact info and I'm happy to, talk a little bit more about BU Spark with you as well. All right, next, does your program provide placement for internship and jobs? Unfortunately, the answer is no. We don't have internship or job placement opportunities. However, please utilize BU Spark and also the Center for Career Development and also Handshake. So altogether, there will be a ton of resources available for you. Make sure you check all of them out and use them and start early. Oops, sorry. And next, what degree is earned at the end of the program? So at the end of program, your diploma would say you have received a Master of Science from Data Science. So at the end of the program, your diploma would say you have received a Master of Science in Data Science from Faculty of Computing and Data Science at Boston University. All right, last question. Do you require a WAS evaluation for foreign degrees? So the answer is no, we don't require WAS evaluation. However, if your transcript is not in English, you should have your transcript translated through a certified agency. And please make sure to upload both the original copy of your transcript and also this certified translation altogether into your application. All right. Well, thanks everyone. Here is the contact information for our office. Again, my name is Dawn. I will be the main point of contact for everything related to MSDS. That's my email address. I also listed my colleague, Micah, who is the Director of Academic Programs here. So if you have other questions, you can also email him. But in general, if you just have some general program related questions, you can either browse on our website. We have a ton of great resources there, information for you to, read. And you can also, email us your question to the general inbox, which is cds-admissions@bu.edu. And we'll have a team that monitors that chat and answer the emails for you. All right, that's all. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to seeing your application. Thank you.